Surgical technology is a critical field within the realm of healthcare, encompassing a range of responsibilities that contribute to the success of surgical procedures. A surgical technologist plays a pivotal role in the operating room, ensuring that all necessary tools and equipment are ready, sterile conditions are maintained, and the surgical team operates smoothly. Aspiring surgical technologists must acquire a diverse set of skills to excel in this demanding and rewarding career. In this video, we will explore 4 essential skills required for a career in surgical technology. 1. Attention to detail and sterile technique. One of the fundamental skills in surgical technology is an impeccable attention to detail. Surgical technologists must ensure that all instruments, equipment, and materials are prepared accurately and in adherence to sterile protocols. A small oversight could potentially lead to infections or complications for the patient. Maintaining a sterile environment requires meticulous attention to detail in handling instruments, gowning, gloving, and setting up the surgical field. Without a keen eye for detail, the integrity of the surgical procedure could be compromised. 2. Anatomy and medical terminology. A solid foundation in human anatomy and medical terminology is indispensable for a surgical technologist. Understanding the structure and function of the human body enables technologists to anticipate the surgeon's needs during a procedure. Familiarity with medical terminology ensures clear communication with the surgical team, minimizing the risk of misunderstandings and mistakes. Proficiency in anatomical knowledge aids in positioning patients correctly, assisting in organ exposure, and identifying potential complications. 3. Effective communication and teamwork. Surgical procedures are complex and require seamless collaboration among the surgical team members. Surgical technologists must be adept at communicating clearly and efficiently with surgeons, nurses, anesthesiologists, and other team members. Effective communication facilitates the smooth flow of the operation and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Strong teamwork skills are essential to anticipate the needs of the surgeon and other team members, leading to a successful surgery. 4. Problem solving and adaptability. Not every surgery goes according to plan. Surgical technologists must possess problem-solving skills to address unexpected challenges that may arise during a procedure. These challenges could range from sudden changes in patient condition to technical malfunctions. Being adaptable and quick-thinking is vital to maintaining a calm and efficient environment in the operating room. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.